YouTube. You already know what time it is. It's Ooh. All right, guys, I know you see the title. I'm not going to talk too much my intro. I'm doing a Brandy inspired makeup look. I was really inspired by Brandy because she's one of my favorite singers. If you ever see my video, I love you. I love you. So this is kind of the look I got from a picture. I'm going to insert it here. And yeah, this is the look that I got from the picture. I know you really couldn't see her eyeshadow, but this is just something I put together with orange, black, and blue, and then orange lips. And I even got the style like her in the picture. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep watching. Before you even continue watching this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to know the next time I post. Why wouldn't you? All right, guys. Hey, so the first thing I'm going to do is do my eyebrows. As you can see, I fast forward that part. I didn't really go into detail on how I did my eyebrows because I feel like, you know, it's kind of tedious. Next, I'm going to go in with my Matte Fix Primer, and I'm going to just prime my face. As you can see, my eyebrows are kind of not usually how I do them, and that is because if we're doing a Brandy inspired look, we have to have our eyebrows like Brandy. It's only right. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is take my palette that I'm going to do my eyeshadow in. If you want to know the names and the brands of everything of the makeup I use, I will put a link in the description box down below of a previous video I did with all of the products I use in this video, in that video. So you guys want to check that out. I will put that in the link in the description box down below. So first you just see me going ahead and just fluffing out a black color. I'm going to put that in the crease of my eyes and just blend that out softly, and then gradually go up my eyelids and things of that nature. So I'm going to let you guys just watch that and see how it turns out. So now I am going to go in with the first palette that I talked to you guys about and take that blue color. And I am going to put that on the base of my eyelid and just pat that on. So now you see me taking one of my DU Care brushes, blending brush, and I'm just blending that black and blue color all together to get like a smoky effect. I see you, girl. Yes, we got that black and blue together. Now I'm going to do the other eye. Voila. So now we're going to fast forward, put the lashes on. Boom. And we got that all the way together. Yes. So now I'm going to take my NYX Professional Makeup. Can't stop, won't stop. Get quiet. I'm sorry, I got carried away, you guys. But I want to take that type of foundation in a color Deep Cool, and I am just going to apply the foundation all over my face. All right, you guys, now I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl in the color Toffee for the concealer, and I'm just going to conceal under my eyes just to kind of heighten my cheekbones. Brandy has real good cheekbones, but I'm pretty sure she doesn't do the cheekbone high definition effect with the concealer. So I'm only going to use a little bit near my cheekbones. I'm going to put it on my forehead and just, give that brightening effect. All right, now you see me taking my wet sponge and make sure it is a little damp or wet. And I'm just going to gradually blend that out all over my face. And you just want to take your time with this because Brandy, she has a seamless highlight. So you want to make sure you really take your time with this. This part can be real tedious, just blending, but you just want to tap all the concealer into your face with a seamlessly flawless application with your blending brush. So make sure you're taking your time and you're doing it right. Now, usually I will be done with my concealer part, but we're going to take our master concealer. I can't remember the name of the color that I'm using, but I know this is real bright. I got this at my local beauty store one time, and I tried to use it, and I'm like, it's just too bright. It won't tone down. I just don't know what to do. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to blend that out. But I'm only taking small amounts, as you can see, and applying it on my face because of the simple fact, in the picture that I chose to do the inspiration look, Brandy has a crazy highlight. But it's not like flashback Mary type of highlight. It's subtle, but it's a bomb highlight. So now I'm going to take my True Complexion Cream Contour Palette in the color medium to dark. And I'm going to take my angled contour brush and I'm just going to contour my face, baby. Like Brandy, her cheekbones, her makeup just be on point. I had to resemble that. Like, I have to be a definition, a adverb, an adjective. I don't know, but I have to represent, period. So now I know I usually use a powder and a pressing powder, but I'm going to take my Fit Me New York pressing powder, and I'm just going to press in that powder, and that's all I'm going to use. I'm not going to use a setting powder as I normally would, because I just feel like with Brandy's makeup look in this particular picture I showed you guys before, because I just want her highlight glow to really shine through the makeup, I feel like if I put the setting powder, which is a darker tone than the highlight that she has, is going to tone down that highlight, and we don't want to do that. So with the pressing powder, I'm just going to set that in, but I'm not going to use the setting powder. Alright guys, so I set in the pressing powder. Now I'm going to go in with a orange color from the first palette I showed you guys in the beginning. And I'm going to put that at the top of my my eyelids and blend that out, because when I looked at the picture again, I noticed she had kind of like an orange tint at the top of her first and second eyeshadow, which was our base, and then under her eyebrow there was like an orange peachy color. So I'm just going to add that in. I'm going to try not to add too much. Sometimes I do go overboard, but that's just what I got from the picture. You can't really see specifically, but that's the feel I got from it. Alright guys, I'm going to do a quick black liner. I feel like I got that from the picture with Brandy. And I lost the other clip on me finishing the black liner, but that's basically what I'm doing right now. So now fast forward, I'm going to take my NYX Professional Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spray my face and just drench it. You got to drench, baby, drench. So I drenched that. And I'm going to show you guys the next step in 1 second. So now I'm going to take my lip matte stain lipstick. It goes on liquidy and dries up matte. This is like a brownish color. I don't know the specific name for this, but I'm going to line that on my lips as if it was a lip liner or a lip pencil. Now I am going to take my NK Cream lipstick, and I am just going to fill in the middle of my lips with that, because as you can see in the picture clearly, Brandy has like orange type of lipstick. I am now going to take one of my old Red by Kiss lip glosses. I'm not sure what color this is, but it is a peachy color from the bottle visually, but when I put it on my lips, it's kind of clear. So that's why I felt like I should add it, because Brandy's lips were a little glossy, so they weren't all the way matte, they were a little glossy. So as you can see now, I am just trying to fix my hair as Brandy had it in her picture. So I'm going to insert it here just to give you guys a remembrance of what her hair kind of looked like. So I was having a little difficulty because even though I don't have the exact same hair type of style in my hair or the type of hair she used, that's what made it a little tricky. And my hair is old. It's time to take it out. Lord knows it's time to take it out. But yeah, I'm just fixing my hair as she had in the picture.